just pretty plain and simple. Now they're going to shrink a little bit when you put them in the water, so you want to get it centered, open it up a little bit, and that's it. It's custom fit to my mouth. And now we're going to trim it down, because if I put it in my mouth and try and talk, you sound like this. I can't talk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I trim the front down and trim the back down so it minimizes. You can see compared to the new one, I trimmed down quite a bit of the edges. Now with the scissors, and then we're going to come in to trim down. You can actually breathe easier, and you can talk easier, and you can swallow easier. Okay, so that's the rough trim, and then I'll clean up this with